What is he up there? I think he's busy eating. Just wait, mamaya ha. Okay, because sometimes Sunny is a very playful type of bird.
Sama ni siya.
So he loves to roam
Diba,
around and serve
ikaw
the
video ari
surroundings.
Nag-video na ko.
Hey, where are you going, buddy?
Kaya mag-video ko ari.
Mama is waiting. So sometimes he's a very, very clever type of bird. So just wait. Hey, Sonny. So can you put your hands down, please? Okay. Let's try. Yes. Okay. Excellent. Sonny. Hey, where you going, buddy? Why did you come here? Are you Sonny? Or are you Wani? Come on. You're a very good type. So put your hands down first one. Okay, let's not wait all over. Yeah, sometimes we cannot force the bird to perform specific tasks because, just like humans, they also have their own mode of feelings. Okay, sometimes maybe na-overwhelmed ba sila sa ilahang mood. Hey, Sunny. And he loves to walk around. Show around, fly around. Hey buddy, are you here? Come on, you're a good bird, come on. I know you can do it. Okay, so we're so very, very sorry. It's because Sunny is not in the mood. Okay, so maybe we'll just call you later if he's in the mood. Okay, so sometimes we cannot force the bird to perform good. Hey, Sunny, what are you doing there, buddy? Okay, so now from California, let's move on to the South Africa because we have here our dancing bird, our black African ground bird, Vice Ganda, together with Miss Mentor, Miss Janice. So black African ground bird occurs in dry savanna of the Africa south of the Sahara. So they are renowned for having a red patch under their eyes and wearing a golden crown. And as for you to know that black African crown crane is also the national bird of Uganda. So they have a wingspan that can extend up to 6.8 feet, while the weight can weigh an average of 3.6 kilograms. So there are two types of African crown crane in the Africa. We have the black African crown crane and the gray African crown crane. And among all the cranes, they are the only cranes that could get nest on the trees. And thank you guys. So once again, our black African crown crane by stand up. Now, from South Africa, let's move on to Brazil. So let's meet the wonder of the rainforest, our handsome, too good, too can, Mr. Ward. Hey, you're hiding. Here, there he goes. So too good, is renowned for having a very colorful and a large bill. Some of you are confusing or wondering if their bills are heavy, but actually it's not. Their bills are lightweight, made up of keratin, just like our hairs and our nails. They're also very good at catching their food. They love to catch insects, especially grasshopper, praying mantis, and just like any other insects. And now, Miss Terry prepared a papaya fruit, and she will toast it to Mr. Horn. Okay, so let's see how Mr. Horn is good at catching. Yes. One more time, Miss Debbie. Come on, Mr. Horn. So sometimes he is also very observant type of bird. And catch. That's how accurate Mr. Horn catching his food. And when they travel, they will just flap their wings and fly between branches. It's because they cannot sustain longer in the airports because they only have a very, very short wings or a very short wingspan. So their lifespan in captivity can extend possibly up to 30 to 35 years. And once again, a round of applause to our handsome, too good to can, Mr. Ford. Okay, so from Brazil, let's stay again in Brazil because we have here our yellow crown Amazon parrot, the friends of Mr. Horn named Lenny and Rudy. So they are mimicking birds. Okay, so this is Miss Rachel together with my partner on the stage, Miss Janice. So this is Lenny and that is Rudy. Okay, I'm her friend. Do not bite me. Okay. Okay, so mimic is a copy sound of what they hear every day. Right, Miss Janice?
Yes, sir, Miss Moki. And yellow crown Amazon parrot is one of the most communicative Amazon due to their talking ability and playfulness.
Wait, Lenny, Rudy, why didn't you say hello?
Again, say hello. Hello. Did you hear that? Say hello. Hello.
Okay, aside from that, Lenny and Rudy can also mimic the other sound of the animals.
Yes,
Just
just
like.
like a rooster, a cat, and a dog.
Now, let's do the rooster first.
Say crow. Again, crow. How about cat, Rudy? How about no, Rudy Barker?
Can you bark, Rudy? Can you bark?
How about you, Lenny? Tell
He
him
loves to play.
Ganahan ko. Tell him what ring. Oh, he said, thank you.
And he loves to steal the mic. Okay. Whistle. How about whistle? Yes. Okay. So aside from that, Lenny and Rudy are also good singers. If you only knew. Okay.
Yes, but they need to have a warm-up first.
Oh, they need to have a warm-up first. Okay, let's do the warm-up. Lenny and Rudy. La, 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 yes, the warm-up na sila. So now, before we sing the song, let me ask you a question. Is anyone celebrating their birthdays today? Raise your hand. Is anyone? Kisa may birthday. Okay. Listen to those celebrants. It's because Lenny and Rudy will sing a very special song. He sing but with a crazy laugh. Okay, so a round of applause once again to our mimicking bird, Lenny and Rudy. Thank you, Lenny, and thank you, Rudy. Thank you also, Miss Jens. Want to stay here? Okay, so now you already witnessed the extraordinary skills of our cute, colorful, beautiful, fluffy birds. Now let's move on to the strong, fierce, and powerful birds. These are the birds of prey. When we say birds of prey, top raptors like hawks, eagles, owls, kites, vultures, and many raptors are released. So now for the first bird of prey is the diurnal bird of prey, meaning this bird of prey is only active on daytime, or they do most of the hunting on daytime. And for that, we need a lure handled by Mr. J. Where's the lure? Oh, I think it's not ready. Yeah, it's some gitarato ko nung days. Si Mr. Horn is still observing. Maybe if atong ipagawas ng birds of prey, he will attack this type of bird. Hey, Mr. Horn. Why did you go inside? Mr. Horn. Okay, just stay right there, buddy. So now let's move on to the nocturnal bird of prey. So nocturnal is the opposite of the diurnal, meaning this bird of prey, they do the hunting of food at night time. And for that, I need your help. Please sit down. No one will stand up, relax, and be silent, because we have here. Okay, let's just wait. Ma'am, can you please sit down?
Sit down ha, Orla, tindog lang.
Okay, please sit down. Sir, can you please sit down? And there you go. So everyone, keep calm, relax, and be silent, because we have here the night creature of the Philippines, our Philippine eagle owl named Casper. Let's just wait and fly down to the stage. Whoa! So Philippine eagle owl is scientifically known as Bubu philippinensis, from the word bubu meaning large eyes, and from the word philippinensis, originally found in the Philippines. So most of the owls have a large head and a bulging eyes. Their eyes are good in total darkness. You know why? It's because they can see 10 times better than the human's eyes. And for their hearings are active, it's because they can hear a mouse squeak half a mile away. And they fly almost silently because of the softened edge of their feathers. Here in the Philippines, Philippine eagle owl is commonly known as bukaw or huwago. And I think that's what I go back. So once again, our Philippine eagle owl named Casper. Now I need a volunteer. Ready to volunteer, Mr. Jerby? Okay. Everyone? Let's proceed to the stage. Okay, so hi ma'am, good afternoon. Welcome to the show. What's your name? Okay. So this time, ma'am, we will give you a balloon. Okay? Is it okay? Okay. Proceed to the center, ma'am. Now, Miss Janice will assist you how to hold the balloon properly. As you can see, we put real food. It's because this bird of prey will show us his matching skills. Okay, just hold the balloon so tight. Do not let go of the balloon no matter what happens. Are you ready? Okay, Micheline, are you ready? Okay. Now everyone, please help me welcome our prominent guide all the way from Southeast Asia, Shadow. Higher, ma'am, okay? A little bit higher. Quiet! Happy birthday! Are you okay, Ma'am Micheline? Okay, thank you for your participation. You may now take your seat. So prominent guide is all the way from Southeast Asia. They are also called as the red-backed sea eagle in Australia. So some of you are familiar to it. It's because prominent guide here in the Philippines is commonly known as Banog in Bisaya, Lawin in Tagalog. They are renowned for having a white plumage from the head down to its body and reddish brown wings and also in their tails. So once again, put your hands together again to our prominent guy named Shadow. Thank you, Shadow. Now at this juncture, I need your help again. Please sit down. No one will stand up. And please do not reach out the birds because this bird of prey will fly closer to you. Okay, everybody sit down. This is for your own safety and also for the safety of our bird. Now everyone, from the medium-sized bird of prey, let's move on to the one of the largest birds of prey in the show. Okay, all set? Are you ready, Mr. Chris? So keep your hands up high so our young, white, balanced eagle, Rana! So white-bellied sea eagle are the king of the sea. They can fly up to 3,000 feet high. And can you imagine, even if how small enough food or prey, they can clearly see it because aside from they have a very strong and sharp talons, they also have a very, very sharp eyesight. And ready to take off his flight? So they love to eat freshwater snakes, fresh fish, just like any other raptors. Okay, so our round of applause for young white-bellied eagle, Verona. Now to make it memorable, we also have here our flying lorries all the way from Australia. Why did you come up, buddy? So we have three kinds of lorries: the dusky lorries, chattering lorries, and the blue and red lorries. They are frugivorous type of bird, meaning they love to eat fruits. They love to drink sweet drinks just like honey, milk, and just like any other sweet drinks. Last but not the least, we also have here the symbol of love. Here it goes. Peace, prosperity, and harmony. Our good pigeon. So now before we totally end the show, let's call on the staff behind the success of the show. Miss Debbie once again with our young white-bellied eagle, Rana. So we're someone up there, Mr. Ricky. So our bird trainer up there, Mr. Chris. And on my left, Mr. Jay, together with African bird product named Christian and Anna. Miss Janice, together with a blue and gold dog named Jane. Okay, I'm Miss Rachel, the in charge of the lorries. And yours truly, my name is Smokey. Hope you guys learned something about the bird and you enjoyed and amazed by our show. And it's because it's a very special for us. I want you to meet the man behind the success of the show. A round of applause, our professional bird trainer, all the way from Singapore to Mr. Akon. Together with best buddy, our Molokan Kakatu named John. So once again, it's because it's so very special for us. We will allow you to take many pictures with our photograph birds right here in the stage. This is your time, this is your opportunity where you can hand carry our photograph birds. So kindly fall in line. Nakatay staff to Mr. Jeremy, Rosie.